Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Safra Korea and hit the bell icon for regular notification. Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. So ever since I've bought my PC, that's around 8 months back, I haven't cleaned it, and I was searching ways and means of how to clean your PC at home, and I came across a product which I bought from Amazon. It's like very important to clean the CPU, especially because it catches a lot of dust, and any electronic gadget for that matter has to be cleaned regularly because it accumulates a lot of dust and dirt. So I was checking online for methods that can be used to clean one's PC, and while checking on Amazon, I came across many products that were listed, a variety of stuff. So it's very difficult to make the right choice, and it's really confusing at times as to which product should one go in for. So this is the product that I went in for. It's the Compucleaner 2.0, and the reason that I went in for this product is because there were many other products which were listed, which were lesser priced, and this is an imported product, so it will cost you a little higher. But checking for the specifications of the product, like I always do whenever I purchase any product, so I wanted something that was exactly specifically meant for cleaning computers and electronic gadgets. So let me just unbox this. So that's the nozzles which have been provided. There are around 3 nozzles, so meant for different purpose, and it can go at every corner. So whichever thing you want to clean, there's 3 different shapes. And here is the Compucleaner, high pressurized computer duster, and also it's a air blower, so you can clean any item that is required. So there are 2 switches being provided. One is for the low pressure and one is for the little higher pressure, and this button needs to be continuously pressed while doing the job. So let's just test this. So the plug point, and this is the US pin, and so I bought a converter, an adapter. I'm using this one, and I just put it in this, and let's test it now. So this is for your reference, I have bought this converter. So this was the only item available in the electrical shop, and I think it should do a good job. So I have connected it to the main, and just let me test this. There are 2 settings in this, so I'll use the lower pressure one, and I'll just test it on this keyboard. There's also some dust here below the monitor on the table, so I'll just blow this. what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to open this glass cover of the CPU and I'll clean the interior of the computer. So gently remove this glass covering. I'll keep it aside. So you can just see all the internal part of the CPU, and there's so much of dust in here, and that's why this was a dire necessity for me to buy this air blower. Definitely it's a requirement, and it replaces those air pressurized cans which were previously used. One time purchase and one time investment. You do not have to repeatedly buy those air cans. And just let me test this now. You can just have a look. There's so much of dust which has been accumulated here for quite some time, several months, and I was so anxious waiting just to clean this and trying some solution. I've also ordered an anti-static brush, and then with the anti-static brush, all the fine dust which is stuck and settled will get rid of it easily. Right now I'll only use this and test this, and later I'll just show you all what can be done with that anti-static brush. So just have a look. With so much of dust in here, this CPU, and also the fans in here, I've got a lot of there are almost 6 fans inside this, on the motherboard, graphic card, and also here in the Cooler Master case. There's like 3 fans here. So there's a lot of dust also which has been accumulated on the fan. So I've seen in some videos that they try to restrict the movement of the fan while using this high air pressure blowers, but I thought that there's so many fans, almost 6 fans in, so I think when this works at high speed it rotates, so it wouldn't be an issue or a problem while using this air blower. You can just see the dirt, the dust that has been accumulated. You can see this, so much of dust. Let's see now how good and can get rid of all this fine dust particles. There's here also a lot of dust, you can just see that, and I'll just test it so you can get an idea. We'll get rid of all this. So if you're allergic to dust, then you can just take a precaution and use a dust mask. So I'm actually not worried that the pressure is too high, because this is specifically designed and made for cleaning computer. That's how the name suggests it. It's Compucleaner 2.0. So I think it's doing a pretty good job. Let me just clean it a little more thoroughly. So guys, maximum of the dirt has been removed, and fine particles of dust are still there that will go with the anti-static brush. Also you can see this portion is cleaned well, just a little fine dust which will go with the thorough cleaning. I think it's done a pretty good job by eliminating all that excess dirt which was in places that you cannot use the brush inside internally, and also your hand doesn't go to clean all that fine dust particles in this minute region. So guys, after watching this video, don't forget to drop your comments below down, and also your suggestions and recommendations, that what method you'll follow, procedure to clean your computer at home, especially for those who are having gaming PCs. Also for this home remedy of cleaning your PCs, these gaming PCs which have a lot of stuff in it, like the motherboard, the graphic card, and a lot of fans inside the cabinet. So all that delicate parts, how it needs to be cleaned. If you all drop your suggestions below down, it will be very useful for me, because this is the first time I've been cleaning my PC. And also drop your suggestions down whether it's required to call an expert every 3 months or biannually to get the PC cleaned thoroughly, the internal portion. So guys, I hope this small little video of mine of buying this product and sharing a small review with you all is useful and beneficial for you all. Also don't forget to drop your suggestions down below. It will be very valuable for me for next time when I'm cleaning my PC. So guys, subscribe to my channel, because I make a lot of variety of content and a lot of interesting stuff. If some topic interests you, then don't forget to subscribe to it and stay updated for my next video. Bye bye.